She has the hiccups now. See?
Oh, hi.
There's the Krishna.
So Krishna.
The Krishna and Yesenia
Hair's crazy
and
because
Kinstania.
I just got out of the shower.
Okay, you guys careful around the baby. Get back. Look at those little hiccups.
Go brush your hair, Zakira.
Okay. Baby shark.
Little hiccups. Kingston, you're naked, but I'm trying to get some video. Go get your clothes on. Little hiccups.